Welcome to another video from TraderStream. Guys, my name is Mohsen. So today we'll be talking about algo trading. So what is algo trading? Is algo trading that you need to actually consider, or is it something that you need to avoid? And what are the aspects that you need to look at in the algo trading? Well, typically algo trading is an algorithmic trading where the software or the machine executes the trades based on the predefined value or predefined system that you have set in place. Now, algo trading is pretty famous in Western world because it is used by both institutions and retail traders. But in India, algo trading is not a permissible option for the retail traders. However, the algo trading is used by institutions in India. Now, it is the restriction that is being put in by our SEBI, which is actually looks after all the trading, investing and all other markets. So algo trading, something that you need to worry about. That is what is going to be something which will be coming in the future. So let me go ahead and tell you the misconception that most of the people have is the moment you say algo trading, they think that okay, the money is coming in. That is not how an algo trading works. Let me tell you what exactly algo trading is. Now, algo trading is typically a system where you need to define at what parameters and what set of values with what strategy the algo has to execute the trade, and with what money management, with what stop loss management, and with all these aspects. So typically algo would only do the execution work for the strategy or the conditions that we define. Market dynamics do change every day, every month. So if you would have defined some strategy on algorithmic trading which works on trending market, would not work on the sideway market. Algo will go ahead and execute based on your management, based on your strategy. How does algo actually help people? So it removes the aspect of fear and greed that the people have. What are the advantages of algo trading? Let's talk about the advantages. Algo would go ahead and execute it instantly because it does not think. It only runs based on the number that you have actually defined. So the trade placement is instant and accurate. Trades are timely corrected and instantly to avoid significant price changes. So simultaneously it auto checks. So it reduces the risk. The algo reduces the risk because you would have predefined the values of profit and loss. And also an advantage in algo trading is whatever strategy that you have, you can go ahead and backtest the strategy on algo trading and see if this is something which is viable and giving you money, then go ahead and deploy it. So what algo does is reduces the human errors, but it is not a holy grail for you to make money just like that. So this is about the algo trading which I wanted to quickly cover in our short video. If you want more videos, give us your input in the comment box. We would go ahead and make videos based on the topics that we get from our subscribers. You can also follow our Instagram channel, which is in the comment and description box. You can also visit our website, which is called www.traderstream.com. So we'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video with more topics to cover. So this is Mohsen signing off from TraderStream.